Alright, differentiation by first principle. Differentiation by first principle is actually finding the tangent, the slope of a tangent. So why does it come from? Well, we have here, we have x. We say, for example, we got a function here, y equals to fx, and this is x. And this is x2, x1 and x2, and yeah, come close. And the point of this point will be x1 fx1, because there's a function there, we can calculate the point there. And this point is x2 fx2. Given that the distance here is h, so therefore the slope between the tangent slope of the line E slope will be equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Since we have the distance h there, so we have our more professional look of it, will become x2 minus fx1 over h, because that is the distance. Further to it, we will put it into fx plus h minus fx over h. Now, the limit is the tangent. When the h approaches to 0, it will become the tangent of the line, which is our slope of the tangent. So, to be the more professional way, the differentiation of it, we will have the same bit, but when h tends to 0, we got the tangent. Otherwise, we just have the line of the slope of 2 points. And this is our first principle of differentiation. Let's have an example for it. The example of it will be, say, given fx will be equals to x squared minus 3x. Alright, by using the first principle, f dash x, the differentiation will be equals to the limit of h minus tends to 0, and then we have fx plus h minus fx over h. So, we just have to substitute whatever in it, just like function. Minus the other function, which is x squared minus 3x, all over h, because that is the slope, rise over run. So we will continue to write that down. So limit, make sure you write those, and you have to be in front, limit of 0 of these things. So we have x squared minus plus 2x squared minus 3x minus h, and then minus x squared plus 3x all over h. Cancel, simplify it a little bit. So we have 2x squared, this is gone, minus h over h. And then we can simplify it. I will do a little more step because I cannot cancel things out in there. So I got 2x minus 1. Sorry, this is 3. Minus 3 over h. Cancel the h out. We have the limit of h tends to 0 with 2x minus 3. Since h will be tends to 0, it will become nothing. But it's not 0, so it will not be affecting the term here. Close to 0, so small that we could ignore it. So we have 2x minus 3. And this is our first principle.